to get soft hair. There's no need to brush your hair 100 strokes every night. Whether your preferred hairstyles are waves or curls, a little care can create soft, shiny hair for guys or gals. You will need a water filter, oils, conditioner, egg yolks, vinegar, and a vitamin-rich diet. Step 1. Filter the water you use to wash your hair and use cold water to get soft hair. Avoid using hot water to wash your hair. Step 2. Use a good quality conditioner appropriate for your hair type and follow the manufacturer's guidelines to get shiny, soft locks. Step 3. Try home methods to make your hair naturally softer. Apply 2 egg yolks blended with 1 cup water and 1 tablespoon olive oil. Cover your head with a shower cap for 10 minutes and rinse. Save money by using natural recipes to get your hair soft. Step 4. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of natural oils like almond, olive, or sesame to your shampoo and wash normally as a softness enhancement for men and women. Step 5. Give yourself a vinegar rinse by applying a 50-50 mixture of water and vinegar to your hair after you shampoo. Step 6. Mind your diet to get soft locks by eating flaxseed, foods rich in vitamins A, C, and zinc, and salmon for omega-3 fatty acids. Cashews, pecans, and almonds are a good source of zinc. Step 7. Avoid crash and low-fat diets, which may rob you of the vital nutrients you need to grow the luxurious locks. Soft hair doesn't happen overnight. By nourishing your hair inside and out, it will glow with the beauty of good health. Did you know? Hairs grow about 1/2 inch each month.